Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Shopify store in Saudi Arabia. It's pretty simple, so without wasting much time, let's dive right in. First, make sure your location is Saudi Arabia. That means your browser location is set to your location that need to be Saudi Arabia. Now click on set trial and sometimes it might ask for a human verification. Click on this checkbox to verify that you are a human to complete this captcha. Now they will ask you for sign up with these options like your email, Google account, your Apple account or your Facebook account. I'm going with Google account. So here you need to select your Google account here and click on your Google account, then click on confirm here. You can see the confirmation button. This is for the two-step authentication and you can also add your recovery mail. Now click on confirm. Now from here you need to follow their guide that where would you like to sell. Select all of this option that describe your store best. Then click on next and here which of these describes you. I'm just starting or I'm already selling online or in person. Select all of these. Now click on next and here what size is your business. If your business is small, click on small. Is medium, click on medium, or large, click on large. Here click on next and here are you currently selling through another platform. If yes, then select the platform from here, and if no, then click on no, I'm not using any platform. Then click on next and here what do you sell. Here you need to choose the category that describes your product best. From here if you don't know, then click on I will decide later, and I'm going to select the first one that I'm making a product that are just made by myself. Now here you will see the pricing plan page. You can buy the subscription of Shopify store from here or you can skip for now, so click on skip for later. And there you go, the Shopify store has successfully opened on your browser. It might ask for your location setup sometimes. If so, then follow the on-screen instructions to set up your location and don't forget to set up your location as Saudi Arabia. Then you are all set. From here you will find all the settings that you need, all the details about your stores, and you can find here the help center. If you're facing any type of problem, then contact them immediately through the help center. And this is my shop. You can see from here you can also create another store. Click on just this plus icon and do the same process as I have shown earlier in this video. You just need to select this accurately to describe your business or your store or your product. Then just follow the prompts on your screen, then click on get started. If you want to buy the subscription of Shopify, then you can choose one of these plans and you can see all the details of the plan below the pricing. And if you don't want to buy the subscription for now, you can just skip it. And from here you need to set up your store perfectly for your traffics, and that's all. There you have it. That's how you can set up your Shopify store in Saudi Arabia. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.